If you want to start YouTube in 2026 but you don't want to show your face, don't have subscribers, and don't know where to begin, this video is for you. You don't need a camera. You don't need confidence on screen. And you don't need to be an expert. You just need the right system. Because most faceless channels fail before they even start. A lot of beginners think faceless YouTube is harder. They think YouTube won't push their videos because no one knows them. But the truth is, faceless channels don't fail because of YouTube. They fail because beginners copy the wrong strategy. In 2026, YouTube doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care if you're new. It only cares about one thing: whether people click, watch, and stay. And that's actually good news for faceless creators. Why 0 subscribers is an advantage. Starting with 0 subscribers is not a disadvantage anymore. It means every video is judged fairly. No history. No bias. Just content versus attention. In this video, I'll break down the best faceless channel types for beginners. What content YouTube pushes first. The biggest mistakes new faceless creators make. How to get your first real views. And how to stay consistent without burning out. 1. Choose the right faceless channel type. Before you upload anything, before you design a logo, and before you think about views, this is the decision that matters most. Most faceless YouTube channels fail not because they're faceless, but because they choose the wrong type of channel. A faceless channel is not a shortcut. It's a format. And if the format doesn't match your situation, YouTube won't push it. In 2026, YouTube rewards clarity, not creativity. So let's make this simple. Step 1. Understand what YouTube wants. YouTube doesn't care if you show your face. It cares if people click your video, watch it, stay until the end. That's it. So the best faceless channels are the ones that solve one clear problem for one clear type of viewer in a repeatable way. If your content is unclear, the algorithm gets confused. And confused content doesn't get views. Step 2. Pick a proven faceless channel type. If you're starting with 0 subscribers, do not invent a new idea. Choose from formats that already work. Educational explainers. Screen recordings with voice or text. Story-based visuals. Commentary over stock footage. Simple animation or minimal visuals. These formats work because the content, not the creator, is the focus. Step 3. Match the channel to you. Ask yourself one question. Can I make this type of video every week for the next 6 months? If the answer is no, don't choose it. The best beginner faceless channel is simple to produce, easy to repeat, not emotionally exhausting. Consistency beats talent every time. Step 4. One topic. One promise. Don't make a faceless channel about everything. Pick one topic. Make one promise. For example, teaching beginners one skill. Explaining one problem. Solving one confusion. When viewers understand your channel in one sentence, YouTube understands it too. 2. What videos YouTube pushes first, and what it ignores. Once your channel type is clear, the next mistake beginners make is uploading the wrong videos. Most new creators think YouTube looks at subscribers, watch history, or how long you've been on the platform. It doesn't. When you upload your first videos, YouTube treats your channel like a test. It shows your video to a small group of people, then asks one question. Do they care? That's it. Step 1. Understand the first test. Your first videos are not meant to go viral. They are meant to answer 3 things. Do people click? Do they keep watching? Do they leave immediately? If people scroll away, YouTube stops pushing the video. Not because your channel is new, but because the video failed the test. Step 2. YouTube pushes clear, simple videos. YouTube does not push complicated topics, long explanations, everything in one video content. It pushes videos that answer one clear question. Solve one specific problem. Deliver one outcome. Beginners lose because they teach too much at once. Clarity beats depth at the start. Step 3. Your first videos should be narrow. Instead of, how to grow on YouTube, make, how to get your first 1,000 views. Or, why your shorts get 0 views. The smaller the promise, the easier it is to deliver. The easier it is to deliver, the longer people stay. Step 4. Proof is not required. You don't need screenshots. You don't need results. You don't need authority. You need understanding. If a viewer finishes your video thinking, that finally makes sense, YouTube notices. Step 5. Avoid these beginner traps. Don't upload motivation with no lesson. Random tips. Trend chasing with no structure. Every video should answer this. Who is this for, and what problem does it solve? If you can't answer that, don't upload it. 3. The biggest mistakes new faceless channels make. Most faceless channels don't fail slowly. They fail early, because of avoidable mistakes. If you're starting with 0 subscribers, every decision matters more than you think. These are not advanced mistakes. They're beginner mistakes that quietly kill momentum. Mistake 1. Copying big creators. Beginners copy large channels thinking it's the safest path. It's not. Big creators have an audience, trust, momentum. You don't. When you copy them, your videos feel empty because viewers don't know why they should care yet. Instead of copying size, copy simplicity. Mistake 2. Uploading without a clear outcome. Many faceless videos look fine but say nothing. They explain, but they don't resolve anything. Every video needs one outcome. A confusion removed. A question answered. A decision simplified. If the viewer finishes and feels the same as when they started, YouTube stops pushing the video. Mistake 3. Over-editing and overthinking. Beginners waste time on perfect animations, fancy effects, long intros. None of that matters at the start. Retention beats production. A simple video that holds attention will outperform a beautiful video that doesn't. Mistake 4. Switching niches too early. Uploading 5 different topics and hoping one sticks is a slow way to fail. YouTube needs repetition to understand your channel. Stick to one audience, one problem, one format. At least for the first 30 days. Mistake 5. Quitting too early. The most dangerous mistake is silence. No uploads. No testing. No data. YouTube doesn't punish beginners. It ignores quitters. Progress comes from feedback, not perfection. 4. How to get your first real views with 0 subscribers. Getting your first views is not about luck. It's about reducing friction. Most beginners think views come from the algorithm. In reality, views come from decisions made before you ever upload. Step 1. Make the video easy to click. Your first views come from strangers. They don't trust you. They don't know you. They only see the title, the thumbnail. So your job is not to impress. Your job is to be clear. Good beginners' titles sound like why your faceless videos get no views. The first videos YouTube actually pushes. How to start YouTube without showing your face. If your title needs explanation, it's too complicated. Step 2. Win the first 5 seconds. YouTube watches the opening harder than anything else. If people leave in the first 5 seconds, the video stops moving. Your opening must speak directly to one person. Name their problem. Promise a solution. No logos. No music build-up. No backstory. Start with relevance. Step 3. Give value early. Don't save the lesson for later. Beginners wait too long to teach. By then, the viewer is gone. Give one useful insight in the first 20 seconds. That tells YouTube this video is worth finishing. Step 4. Let the video end cleanly. Don't overextend your videos. When the lesson is complete, stop. A clean ending keeps retention high. High retention earns more impressions. More impressions equal more chances for views. Step 5. Repeat, don't reinvent. Your first real views don't come from one perfect video. They come from repetition. Same topic. Same format. Slightly better each time. That's how YouTube learns who your content is for. 5. The mindset that makes faceless channels work. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they're bad. They fail because they stop too early. Starting a faceless YouTube channel is not a creativity problem. It's a patience problem. In 2026, YouTube rewards creators who stay long enough to learn. Step 1. Detach from early numbers. Your first videos are data, not judgment. Low views don't mean you're doing it wrong. Your niche is dead. YouTube is against you. They mean YouTube is learning. When you obsess over numbers too early, you quit before feedback becomes useful. Step 2. Think in uploads, not results. Stop asking, why isn't this working? Start asking, how many videos have I tested? 10 videos is not a test. 20 is barely a signal. 30 is where patterns start to appear. Progress comes from volume with intention. Step 3. Set a minimum commitment. Decide this before you start. I will upload for 60 days, no matter what. No breaks. No deleting videos. No restarting channels. This removes emotion from the process. Consistency becomes automatic. Step 4. Improve one thing at a time. Don't try to fix everything. Each upload, improve one thing. A clearer title. A stronger hook. A simpler explanation. Small improvements compound. That's how faceless channels quietly win. Step 5. Understand what success actually looks like. Success is not viral videos. Success is stable uploads. Increasing watch time. Clear audience signals. When that happens, YouTube pushes harder. If you've watched this far, you're already ahead of most people who start YouTube. You now know what type of faceless channel to start. What content YouTube pushes first. What mistakes to avoid. How to get your first real views. And how to stay consistent long enough for it to work. Most people never make it this far, not because they can't, but because they never had clarity. Now you do. Starting a faceless YouTube channel is not about being talented or confident. It's about making simple decisions. Then repeating them long enough for YouTube to learn who your content is for. You don't need permission. You don't need to wait. Your first imperfect video is better than endless planning. If this video helped you, leave a comment and tell me. What type of faceless channel are you starting? I read every comment, and your answer helps shape future videos. If you want more clear, beginner-friendly guidance like this, subscribe. This channel is built for people starting from zero, no hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works. And if you know someone who wants to start YouTube but feels stuck or overwhelmed, share this video with them. It might be the clarity they've been waiting for. Start simple. Stay consistent. Let YouTube do the rest. I'll see you in the next video.